Top 10 fun Easter egg decorating ideas for kids. Easter is just around the corner, and there's no better way to get into the festive spirit than by decorating some colorful eggs with the kids. Whether you're a seasoned egg decorator or just looking for some easy, fun ideas, I've got you covered with creative, kid-friendly options that will make your Easter eggs extra special. And hey, if you fall in love with the idea of celebrating Easter every year on the beautiful Space Coast, I'd love to help you find the perfect nest. Check out my website at this link and my YouTube channel at this link for a peek at what living on the Space Coast is all about. Tie-dye eggs. Let's bring back the 70s. All you need are food coloring, paper towels, and vinegar. Wrap the egg in a paper towel. Drop different food coloring shades into the towel. Pro tip, the more colors the better. Embrace the chaos. Next, crayon resist eggs. Give your eggs a secret message or cool design. Use a white crayon to draw patterns or write a message on the egg. Pro tip, try swirls, zigzags, or even little hearts. Next, rubber band stripes. Perfect for kids who love clean lines. Wrap rubber bands around the egg in different patterns. Pro tip, use multiple layers of dye for multicolored stripes. Sprinkle-coated eggs. Who says that eggs can't look like dessert? Cover the egg in glue or Mod Podge. Pro tip, use tweezers to add patterns or shapes with the sprinkles. Glitter glam eggs. Make your eggs sparkle like the Florida sunshine. Paint the egg with glue. Pro tip, use fine glitter for subtle sparkle or chunky glitter for extra bling. Galaxy eggs. Bring the night sky to your Easter basket. Start with a black or dark blue base. Use a sponge to dab on shades of purple, blue, and silver. Pro tip, add a sprinkle of metallic glitter for a shooting star effect. Bunny face eggs. Turn your eggs into cute little bunnies. Paint the egg white. Use a fine tip marker to draw on a face. And pro tip, add a cotton ball for a fluffy tail. Fruit-inspired eggs. Turn your eggs into tiny pieces of fruit. Paint them like strawberries, watermelons, or lemons. And pro tip, group them together in a cute Easter fruit basket. Unicorn eggs. Bring some magic to Easter. Paint the egg in pastel shades. Use a fine tip marker to draw closed eyes with long lashes. And pro tip, use rainbow colors for a true unicorn vibe. Washi tape eggs. No mess? No problem. Use colorful washi tape to wrap around the egg. Pro tip, cut tape into shapes for even more creative designs. Decorating eggs is such a fun way to make Easter memories with the kids. And if you're dreaming of a new home where you can create even more holiday traditions, I'd love to help you find the perfect spot here on the Space Coast. Start your home search at this link to my website and check out some Space Coast home tours on my YouTube channel at this link. Happy Easter and happy house hunting!